Hey guys, AmandaSushma here and welcome to my channel. Today I have my first ever Empties video. I actually finished enough skincare to make a video on it and I'm really excited. I usually finish like contact lens solution or like toothpaste and I'm like, I don't think anyone wants to see that, but let me know if you do. But the first product I want to share that I finished, well, kind of finished, cut me some slack on some of these, okay, is the Roche Posay Ultra Miceller water, a makeup remover basically. And yeah, I finished this whole bottle. Well, there's like a little dab here left, but I'm so proud of myself and I actually really like this product. I do feel like it's kind of pricey, to just take off makeup. So I'm using a different product that I also finished and I'll share with you guys. But I did like this one. This is actually a really great brand. I actually have a cleanser from them as well that I have not finished, but I really do like this brand. I just feel like it's a little bit pricey for this product in particular. It did perform really well. It got my heavy duty makeup off and my eyeliner off and stuff, so it does really well. I just feel like it was like, I don't know, $17 or something, and that's a little bit pricey for me, but this brand is pricier. I think it's like a dermatologist recommended type of brand or something. It's a very good brand. I just think this is a little overpriced, but I do like it, so take with that what you will. And you also need to use like some kind of cotton ball or like a pad thing and wipe it. So I'd rather just find a product like a cleansing oil or like a cleansing balm or something where I don't need a cotton pad or cotton ball or whatever. So yeah, I do like this, but I don't think I will repurchase this. Next item is a fan favorite. It is The Ordinary's Niacinamide 10% and Zinc 1%. I actually already repurchased this and yeah, it's like completely out. There's nothing in there. I am obsessed with this. I have really oily skin and I've been using this consistently for about 2 years and my like oiliness has gone down. Yeah, I had already repurchased another bottle, so I'm at half point with my new bottle basically. And after that bottle, I'm actually thinking about trying a different brand's niacinamide. So yeah, we're gonna test out some niacinamides on this channel. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see some skincare reviews. Definitely worth trying out if you don't really use a serum or anything and you can afford it for like less than $10. Definitely recommend, and you might see a nice difference in your skin. This next item I actually got from Sephora as the birthday gift set. It is this Tacha Dewy skin cream, and you guys, I forgot how much this I didn't pay for it, obviously it's a gift, but they do sell this size and it is expensive for this little trial sample size. So I'll put it around here how much it is, but it's expensive, okay. And the truth is, I kind of thought Tacha was like overhyped, like people just like them because of the packaging. But I was like, you know what, let me try it. It's free. It's a birthday present from Sephora. Who am I to say no, right? So I tried this and yeah, my skin loves this. And I'm honestly so mad about that because this is expensive. Am I going to repurchase this? Not anytime soon, and I'll leave a price about how much the full tub is, but yeah, this is actually really good. I have oily skin, but I used this dewy skin cream at night and it was so nice. My skin felt so smooth, so I understand why people are obsessed with Tacha. I do think there are obviously more affordable options out there, but the ingredients do give you a really good result and the packaging is just so cute just to sit in like the bathroom, but it's so expensive, so I will maybe repurchase this way in the future, but not anytime soon. So yeah, I really do like this though. But if you feel like forking it out for this, do it. It is so worth it in my opinion, and I do have oily skin and my oily skin did still love this dewy skin cream. So highly recommend this. Or during your birthday at Sephora, go get your free gift and get the Tacha set. So yeah. Okay, this one is another moisturizer, but I'm a little bit more unsure about it. It is this Good Molecules Silicone-Free Priming Moisturizer. So I actually repurchased another one of these already because I'm just like not sure about it. This one, it's like, it's moisturizing, but my skin still feels like it needs more moisture, but it looks good. I don't know, but I've been trying a few products from Good Molecules. I'm trying a retinol from them. I'm trying this. I have some eye masks from them as well, and I want to try a little bit more from them. I'm liking the brand so far, but this one, I just need to keep trying it. So I bought another bottle because this one ran out, but I do like the packaging. I think it's really cute and simple, and it is a little bit pricier than, you know, your average drugstore moisturizer, but it's not bad, and you do get a lot, 1.7 fluid ounces, and I like the applicator. It's just a nice like tube, press down tube or whatever, and it also makes my makeup look really good. So I'll do this moisturizer and then a sunscreen, but I feel like this makes a little bit of a difference. It is a silicone-free priming moisturizer. It's formulated with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and plant-derived silicone, which is supposed to hydrate, smooth, and nourish your skin. And I do think it does smooth my skin, but I feel like I need a little bit more hydration, so I bought another one to give it a second chance. But if I still feel a little iffy about it, I'll try and move on to the next thing. Okay, don't judge me on this one. There's still a little bit left, but I'm not going to use it. I just don't like the feel of this anymore. This is, and don't hate me for this, you cult fans of this brand, Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. It's smoothing and moisturizing. At least it says it is. I mean, listen, I don't know. So this is a body cream, body lotion, whatever you want to call it, and it has niacinamide in it, which was why I bought it. I thought it'd be really good. The reviews were awesome. Maybe it's just me, but when I apply this, like, my skin does feel smooth, but only for like a few minutes, and then it wants more hydration. I guess that's the same complaint I have. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I need to drink more water. But no, for my body, I've used other like body creams and lotions, and they don't feel like that. Like, my skin doesn't feel like it needs more from those, and it does from this one. And it's really annoying because this one's really expensive compared to other ones I've bought. Like, I have a nice Nivea one, I have like a Vaseline one. Like, those average ones make my skin feel nicer, and it just looks better and feels softer throughout, like when I'm sleeping or whatever. But this wonderful Glow Recipe hyped up brand, I just don't get the same vibe. And I consider this an empty, like I said, because I'm not going to use it anymore. But I think there is still some products, so I can actually show you. Oh, see, it plopped out on there, and it smells really, really nice. That's one thing I've seen a lot of people in the reviews say, like, it smells like they live up to their smell. Like, their scents are on point, especially this watermelon. And like, I mean, I don't know. Like, I feel when I rub it in, I just want more hydration. It also doesn't give me like a nice hydrated sheen. You know what I mean? Like, I like the sheen. Some people don't. Some people just want it to be, I don't know. I still feel like I feel dry, but I like a little sheen. Like, oh yeah, she drank her water. Yeah, she's like glowing from within, and it's just like a nice lotion. I don't know, I'm not feeling it. It's not for me. Do not recommend. I'm so sorry. This one is also another moisturizing type of product, but I really like this one. It's the, well, I'm not sure how to say it. Is it OC or Osea or Osea? I don't know how to say this, but it's their Undaria Algae Body Oil. And I do have a little bit left. Listen, I said, you know, there's no rules. Let me live my life. Anyway, I am actually obsessed with this. I saw it, I believe, in Ulta, and it had the little trial, and they got me because it was in one of those, like, where you're checking out, and it's like the small little trials, and I was like, okay, I'll get this. It is a seaweed-infused body oil that softens, nourishes, and firms like no other. And it visibly reduces the crepey, whatever, skin and stretch marks. I don't know about that last sentence, but it definitely softens and nourishes my skin. I love applying this. Like, if you're looking for a body oil in the summer, try this one. I really like it. It does have like a really weird scent to it, but it kind of fades off. And you really have to rub it in. Like, you really have to put some pressure on and rub it in, or it might just sit and look a little shiny, which I like, especially in the summer, to have like shiny legs, you know. But I would definitely repurchase this. The only thing is, I've seen a lot of good things from this brand. This is the only product I have from them. So I'll be trying some more body oils and different products from them. So let me know if you've tried this or this brand, and let me know what your favorite product is, because they have some really cool stuff. And yeah, I'm excited to test out more from this brand, actually. Listen, I am a penny pincher when it comes to using certain products, right? And we do crazy things. This is what this looks like. And then eventually, I don't think it's done. I am going to cut it open and use whatever is left of that. But if you're an Ordinary fan, you already know this is their Squalane cleanser. I really needed to get every last bit, and I will cut it here to get the rest of it. This is what I've been using to take off my makeup and cleanse my skin. So it can break up your makeup and then break up your makeup. It can break up your makeup and then also cleanse your skin. So I basically do a double cleanse, and I really like this. I think it's affordable, and in a pinch, like I ran out of my makeup remover, this works as well. I think I would use like a more heavier duty makeup remover for my full coverage days, but this does the job with medium to light, so that's totally fine for me. I like this. I really like it as a cleanser. If you've never tried it as a cleanser, give it a go. Like, it has squalane oil, which is great. My skin always feels like so soft after I use this. So yeah, I really like this. Highly recommend. I already bought a new one. Like, The Ordinary has reeled me in. I'm an ordinary girl. P.S. You can check out my AHA, BHA peeling chemical mask from The Ordinary video. I worked really hard on that. Thank you. Bye. Okay, so those were the products I finished. And I have 2 other things. This is the last thing. But I really hope you guys don't judge me. It's a little bit embarrassing. Okay. So it is my Real Technique sponges. Basically, I have had these 2 since like, okay, the big one since like 2020 and the little one probably since like 2021. So I mean, okay, it's pretty bad. Like, the bottom of the orange one has like where my nails are long and they'll dig in, and it probably has mold in it, to be honest. And the little one is just crusty, dusty, like nasty. I would still use it and do my concealer, and I'd be so confused. I'd be like, why is it like looking cakey like that? Like, it usually just looks smooth. Why is it looking cakey? It's because it was so crusty. And I did wet them. I'm cheap. Your girl is cheap. And yeah, we working with crusty, dusty, and musty over here. But don't worry, I went ahead and a few weeks ago I bought a new one of these, and I bought a pack of these little ones that come in a pack of 4. I don't know, I just feel like sometimes I'll look at it and I'll be like, that's really expensive. I have one at home, and yeah, really attempt to get my money's worth, not realizing that this could adversely affect my skin. But you know what? Shout out to my skin. Shout out to my skincare. If anything, you guys should be subscribing to me right now. Right now, because listen, I've been using Crusty, Dusty, and Musty, and this thing has been looking pretty good, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I would super appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments on the products I showed, let me know. Bye!